Alright folks, common problem on these 98 to 02 Trans Ams. Alright, see the turn signals flashing. Working just fine in the back, okay? Now the front doesn't do a damn thing. Now the problem is that the turn signal sockets tend to rust and corrode out. Now, here's the left one, which I just fixed. You can see it's flashing just fine. Flashes just fine up here. And I haven't attached it yet, but flashes just fine up here. What you're going to have to do, head yourself to AutoZone. They're $8.19 a piece. Got to take your old turn signal socket, wherever it is. Oh, and I guess it fixed the daytime running light too because it's turned on. Okay, so let's shut this off. Where'd I just set that thing? Here's the old one. Don't look too good, huh? As you can see, it's all corroded and everything. Go to AutoZone. You're going to get taillight sockets for a 1998 Monte Carlo. They look just like this. They're Dorman Part 85881. They're $8.19 a piece. Take these out. Take the old sockets out. Splice them up with the wires. Just make sure it's the right wire each one. And then it'll blink just like my passenger side one. There you go, guys.